I'm Kritika. I'm from Bangalore. Today, Febina group has given us the opportunity to participate in this cooking contest, and I'm also glad to a part of it. So today I am going to do something called as Loki idli. Everyone would be surprised at how Loki idli can be done, but today I will tell you how to do Loki idli. First of all, what we have to do is we have to keep all the ingredients ready for our recipe. So first what I have done is I have taken the grated Loki as it is and kept it in a side. Then next comes is the chana dal and the urad dal, which has to be soaked for about 20 minutes in water so that you can do the recipe. So next, on a third is the suji. The suji that is called as the rice suji, okay, it is available in the market anywhere you go. So just take rice suji in the kadai, what I am doing, and just warm it up. You don't need to roast it too much, otherwise it will become black. So just I have roasted the suji, as you can see this, and kept it aside. Apart from that, we had to make salt for taste, then ginger little bit, then pepper and jeera, and all these things ready for the recipe. So if you want, I am adding little bit of rice suji because I felt that it is little less. So I am going to add still more rice suji so that it will give more taste. You can see that I am adding the rice suji. So just wait, I am just on the gas. So in a medium flame, we have to roast the suji. So you are seeing how I am roasting the suji. Just lightly warm it so that it will be crisp and nice when you have the idlis. So when this roast is warm up, off it and keep it. You have to roast it in a sim so that it doesn't turn into black. So now I am going to take a bowl where we are going to mix all the ingredients. So let's see how I am going to do it. So first I am going to take a bowl. Yeah. Now I am taking a bowl. Okay, this is the bowl. Any bowl you can take which is available in your house. Then first you have to add the grated Loki into the bowl for mixer. Then we have to add bit of coconut which I grated and kept, as you see. Then next comes the pepper. This is the pepper what I am taking. So just see, I am going to mix pepper. Just take according to your taste how much of pepper you want. And add it to this. You can see the pepper, right? Can you? Yeah. So now I have to take little bit of ginger. Either you grate it or just cut it into pieces. However you can feel, you can do it. So just take little bit of ginger. Yeah. You are seeing I have taken little bit of ginger. Yeah. And then now the rice suji is ready. Just off it. Yeah. And then you have to add the soaked chana dal and the urad dal in this boiling mixture. And then you have to add salt. Salt as per the taste. Then we have to add the rice suji. Yeah. Just add the rice suji, whichever you have roasted in the medium flame. Don't add too much of water while you are mixing it, because Loki already consists a bit of water in it. If you want, you can add little water. Yeah, I'm added the water, and let me see how it looks now. Yeah. You can see I've added the water. You can see I've added the water now. Yeah. You have seen I've added the water now. Yeah. Water should be added according to the taste. Don't add too much water also. Yeah. Yeah. So I have added the water now. Mix it nicely. Yeah, so you are seeing that I have added the water in it. Okay, keep it aside. Now take the idli vessels. Add a little bit of oil in the idli vessel. Yeah, as you are seeing, oil little bit. Take a spoon. You're seeing that I have added the oil in the idli vessel. Now just you have to, as you make the normal idlis, you have to simmer the oil in the idli vessel. Yeah. Just see how I am doing it. Yeah. So I am taking the idli vessel. Yeah. So this is the second vessel. And this is the third. As much as you can do it. have taken the now this is ready. Now we can add the whatever the ingredients we have mixed. We can add that. Put little bit so that it should not, if it is thick then it will not cook properly. So put little. Yeah. Now you are seeing that I have making it. This is how it looks. Yeah. Now take water in the idli vessel. And you can keep it aside. Yeah, you add the water in the idli vessel. The bottom should not become black. Make sure that. Now you keep one like that. Make idlis according to how many family members are there and enjoy your idli. Now you are seeing that I am adding it. Just add it like this. Yeah. Don't add too much content in this, otherwise it will not cook properly. This is the third one. Yeah. Yeah. So all it is ready now. Now I am on the gas. And we have to close the idlis now. So idli part is over. Yeah. So next comes the chutney, which is a normal coconut chutney, as everyone knows. So for that, let us make it ready. By the meantime, this idli will be ready. But you have to keep checking, otherwise the water below the idli base will become dry and all idlis may also get spoiled. So just have a look in between whether it is cooked properly or not. Yeah. Now for coconut chutney, as everyone knows, you have to add coconut, then little bit of chutney dal, which you get in South India as well as North India as well, and then small red chilli and salt. It can be added later on. So I am making the coconut chutney ready now. Meanwhile, this idli will be ready. So let's grind the coconut chutney. So what we have to do is, now we have to grate the coconut and make it as a coconut chutney. So for that, on the mixer and make it into fine paste. So I'm making the coconut chutney ready now. Just see how it is being done. So let me on the mixer. Yeah. See, now we have to add a little bit of water to this. Let's add water to this coconut chutney. I'm adding the water. So I don't add too much water, otherwise it will become too liquid. Yeah, so this you can see I made the coconut chutney ready. You have to just give a small tadka in the end. So these idlis are getting steamed up now. You can see how it is looking. Just allow it to steam and keep checking in between whether it is cooked or not. Yeah. So this is the coconut chutney what I have taken here. You are seeing how I have done it. So you can see from here that how I am going to do the coconut chutney. Yeah. So this is the coconut thing. You have to give a small tadka for this. So let's give the tadka. The tadka thing, if it's not there, you can do generally. Just take a little bit of oil for the tadka. So I have added a little bit of oil for the tadka. Little bit of asafoetida. Yeah, asafoetida. Little bit of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds. Let's see where the black mustard seeds are. Yeah, this is the black mustard seeds. So let's give the tadka for this now. I'm giving the tadka. A little bit of chili in it. So let's give the tadka and the chutney will be ready. Meanwhile, just keep checking whether the idlis are ready or not. Keep checking in between, otherwise it will become black. So I am checking the idli now. Let's add salt for the chutney. So let's add the salt for the chutney. I have added the salt. Now this tadka I am going to add in the chutney. Now take little bit of water in it. Because the chutney is little bit thick, I am adding little water to make it semi-solid. So you can see the chutney is ready. So I will take a small bowl for the chutney. Yeah, so I am adding the chutney to this. So this is the chutney ready. Yeah, we'll make the bowl ready for keeping the idlis as well as the chutney. Just a minute. So this is the plate where we garnish the idlis with the chutney. So this is the idli I have kept now. Sorry, the chutney. So idli is getting ready meanwhile. So as this is a festive season and everyone is at home, so give this new look to the idli and enjoy with your family. So I am just checking whether the idlis are ready or not. So in the lockdown also we would have learned many recipes nowadays, because it was about 5 months to 6 months easily lockdown. So many people were at home, many were doing work from home. So in this meantime we learned many cooking new recipes as well. So this is also one of the recipe, but of course this is a age old recipe tradition in our family. So I have made this chutney ready, so the idli has to get ready. So Febina, thank you so much again for giving all the ladies the opportunity to participate in such a wonderful competition where they can show their skills of cooking as cooking. And I hope that my new recipe will be enjoyed by everyone who will try to do it at home. So definitely try to do at home. Actually, this is done during Diwali in our tradition, in our families, where we do it during the Dhanteras day, and we do it along with a normal kheer, which is done with sevai or with khaskhas, and this traditional loki idli is done on that particular day along with the chutney. So this is how we celebrate Diwali, and as Diwali is going to come next after Dashera, so you guys also can try this at your house at your convenience. So let me see whether the idlis are ready or not. So idlis are getting ready. So just a minute. So as I said that this lockdown for about 4 to 5 months was very hard for everyone. but at the same time we learned so many recipes. Of course, those who are not having much time, also those who are working women who feel very tired after coming back home, this also one of the easiest recipe to do in the night as a snack tiffin, what we tell in our South India, or in the north also you can do this, and we can enjoy with our family. So that idlis are getting ready. Let me see. So let's see. Hope everyone will try this recipe, and Febina will group will like this recipe, of course, because it is a new. Originally we do rice idli, which is very common, and rava idli, which is very common, but this is a new concept. So I hope the Febina group is going to like this, and I want everyone to make this at home and at least once, and have with their family. Cooking is one thing which is makes the family happy in many of the ways, because when we cook food we feel happy. So I feel happy. So that is the thing. So we have to cook food for happiness as well. So when we cook food and with happiness, of course it will sound very delicious. So I am making the idli. Let's check. So it is getting steam. Of course it takes time, so you have to have patience. So cutting those vegetables, making daily one sabji, then dal, then rice, and for working women specifically I am telling, this is one of the easiest recipe. Please try at least once with for your husband, your children. Definitely they will love it. So just try it once. I was working, but now I'm at home, as I have about a 3.5-year-old son. So he also liked it very much, and this is one of the favorite recipe as well. So let's see. This is getting steamed up now. So originally Loki, we have heard about making sabji, we have heard about making kofta, we have heard about making dal. Many ways Loki is done. So today this is the first time which everyone would have heard that Loki can be used for making idlis also. So let's see. Everyone would like it. It will be happy for me. So let it get steamed. Loki has lot of water content, so it is also good for pregnant mothers as well. And those who are pregnant mothers, they will know about it. So just try it once, guys. You will definitely love it. So it is getting steamed up now. Yeah. So I was waiting for the apron and it took about a long time, but of course it came. So I'm wearing the Febina apron, as you can see. So I hope I'm looking good, because in kitchen we get tensed many things also. So the chutney is ready, but idli has to be ready. So I have to wait. There's no other option in that. So let the idlis be ready. Meanwhile, chutney is also ready. In South India, idlis are very common every day almost, as you would have heard about it. Even in morning or in the evening as a snack or as a tiffin, it is every time available. I hope most of my viewers would be watching this video and would be liking it and try it definitely once at their home with their family. So idlis are getting steamed up, guys. You have to wait. There's no other option in them because Loki is also added. It may take time to little bit cook, and Loki should be properly cooked as well. So let's see. I'm waiting. So just take one small spoon or knife and just little bit do like this. Pinch it and see whether it is cooked or not. So I am doing it. You also guys do it. It still has to happen. So it has to cook for about say 15 to 20 minutes, but make sure that water is there below, otherwise it will become black. And do not keep in very high flame, that is also a problem. So the idlis are getting ready. You can taste and see. So I hope Febina group is going to like my video, and they also train their family with their kids and everyone in their home. Making these North Indian dishes like kofta, paneer, nowadays people are very health conscious, and this is also very healthy in that way because it has a vegetable content in it. There is not much of oil in it, and there are a lot of nutritional benefits also in this. Like it has rice suji, it has the lauki in it, it has chana dal, it has urad dal, and it has a little bit of pepper and salt as for taste. So nutritional benefits are from Loki. Loki is really good for health and not much of oil, so no upset is there, and you feel very healthy and nice. So this is the best recipe. I mean, I don't tell it as the best recipe, but definitely a tried recipe at home, at every home. So I feel this is ready. So let's take it out. First switch off the flame, allow it to cool for 10 to 5, allow it to cool for 2 minutes, and slowly you can take it out. So now I am allow it to cool for 2 minutes and garnish it. So I hope that everyone will like this, and I'm happy about it. So you can see the idli. Guys, if you are not very convenient in here holding the hot items, please do not do it. As it is a practice for me, I am doing it, but please do not try it. Try to take some uh, thing to hold, or you can use the gloves to hold the hot items, because I'm used to it. I'm doing generally like that. take a spoon. So I have taken the spoon now. Don't feel that if it is broken it is not good. It may break. You have to carefully take it out. That is the skill required for them. So don't feel bad if it is broken. Let's check whether it is cooked or not. Yeah. So just see. Be careful it doesn't break. Because many of the people will find it difficult. So we can have done it almost ready. Yeah, so I made it ready now. Okay, so let me take the pic of this now. So just I'll tell you. So this is how we garnish the lauki idli. Just let me show you the pic of this. You seen the pic of this? Let me see. Let me show you the pic of this. It sounds very smelling and amazing during this rainy season. Do try it at home. You can see this. And in between I kept the chutney. This is a garnishing. So I hope guys you have loved this recipe and do try at home. Thank you. Thank you, Fevina.